So for these Packout bit trays, I have two sizes. I have one that fits in the bottom ribbing and one that fits in the top ribbing. And they're kind of a press fit. They're not super tight, but they're tight enough that they stay on their own. But with opening and closing the case, they're going to fall out. So I would recommend either using some VHB pressure sensitive tape to keep those in there, or what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you just a couple dabs of hot glue, like there. Come on. Couple dabs of hot glue, and just push that in there. Get that in there really good, just enough to keep that from popping out when you open and close the case. So we'll do it again. Let's see, it goes that way. We will stick a little bit of hot glue. Whoa. There we go. Just press that in there really good. And now it should, be able to do that pretty hard, and it should be able to stay in place.